Oh my gosh, so 2021 completely flew by. I can't believe the year's almost over. I know that's super cliche, everybody says that, but holy moly, did it go by fast. It's already around Christmas time, and here I am. Let me just show you. Here is all my gifts that I still need to wrap. Well, before I get to wrapping and before I get to getting all of this Christmas stuff put together, I wanted to put together a video just for you. It's gonna go over 6 last minute ideas to save you money on your taxes. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Jeanette Andrada. I help private practice owners increase profit margins using tax and accounting strategies. Now, I do want to throw in here that we are currently accepting new clients, so if you're looking for somebody to do your tax returns, please feel free to reach out to me. I have a promo code just for my YouTube friends. So whenever you talk to me, just tell me you want to get the promotion off. It's 15% off, and I'm going to put the code right here. So make sure that you let me know when you talk to me that you want to get that 15% off. All right, so let's get situated to make sure we are not missing any tax deductions this year. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to make sure that you catch up on all of your bookkeeping for the year. If you have not done so already, make sure that you do that. This is going to help you ensure that you get all the tax deductions that you need. Make sure to look through your personal bank accounts. This happens a lot. I see this happen quite a bit where my clients will purchase something from their personal credit card or their personal bank account because they didn't have their business card available. So if you do purchase something on your personal account, make sure that you are accounting for that on your tax returns. The second thing is your home office deduction. Don't forget about this one. This one actually really adds up, and I see this one missed all the time, especially for new business owners that have no idea that this is something that they could deduct on their tax returns. Make sure that you are keeping good records of your expenses associated with your home office. Examples are your utilities, your internet, mortgage interest if you're purchasing a home and you're paying interest on the mortgage. If you're a renter, your rent paid is absolutely tax deductible, and anything else that might be associated with your home in general. The third thing is make sure you aren't forgetting about expenses that you pay for personal use, but you also might use for business. A great example of this is your cell phone. Make sure that you are keeping track the percentage that you use your cell phone for business. The fourth thing is don't forget about your Stripe fees. If you use something like Simple Practice, more than likely you are using Stripe to accept payments. If you're using Stripe, what they do is that they take a percentage out and then they pay you out the difference. So whenever you go into Simple Practice to look at your revenues to report on your tax returns, what's missing is that expense, because if your revenue was $100, that's what you're going to report, and Stripe keeps $3 of that. You want to make sure that those $3 are considered expenses on your tax return, so you're not paying taxes on the full $100. Log into Stripe to make sure to get those numbers, and you could enter all of those fees that they charge you as business expenses. Don't forget about your business meals. Business meals can definitely add up. And this year, 2021, as well as 2022, we are going to be able to write off 100% of business meals. So make sure to take advantage of this. If you're meeting with your vendors, possibly your a referral partner, colleagues, even clients, and you treat them to lunch, then you get to write off 100% of that meal. The next thing and final thing on this list of quick ideas is don't forget about gifts. If you purchase gifts for, again, like a referral partner for sending clients over your way, or possibly to your vendors or clients, then remember to write those gifts off on your tax return. There is a $25 limit per recipient per year for gifts, so just keep that in mind when you are writing off gifts on your tax return. All right, guys, I hope you found this helpful. Make sure not to forget about all of those deductions that I talked about, because it could end up saving you thousands of dollars depending on your expenses. Now think about what you could do with that money, putting it back into your private practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It really helps me get my content out there to other business owners that could definitely benefit from this information. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you next time.